Hey, how's it going, everyone? So, the Super Bowl's right around the corner, so today I'm going to share with you a wing recipe that is sure to be a crowd pleaser. This is what I have affectionately referred to as wings on the warpath. And I just know what people are going to say. That's a lame ass name for a chicken wing. Well, you know what? It sounded cool in my head, so we're just going to go with it. In all honesty, guys, these are incredible wings. The wing sauce is a perfect combination of heat and flavor. You are going to love it. Your guests at your Super Bowl party are going to love it. I'm looking forward to showing you how to do it. Let's get started.
All right, so we're going to start by placing our wings on a rimmed baking sheet. We've also greased it up, and we're using about 2 to 3 pounds worth of chicken wings. So we are then going to add some neutral oil. I'm using avocado oil, but you can use canola oil, vegetable oil, whatever. We're just going to I am then going to add some salt and pepper, season it up. Alright, so our wings are nice and seasoned. We are now going to throw this in a preheated 450 degree oven and throw these in there for 40 minutes, making sure that we turn them over halfway through. Alright, so the wings are cooking. Let's turn our attention to the sauce, and this is going to be amazing. And the secret ingredient to this is Harissa Paste. Alright, so as I said, we're going in with 2 tablespoons of our Harissa Paste. Next, we're going in with about a half a tablespoon of ketchup. We are then going to go in with 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of honey, a half a tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a teaspoon of ginger, and a teaspoon of garlic. Next, we're going to give this a mix. Alright, so the wing sauce is done. Let's set this aside. We are going to focus now on our dipping sauce. Okay, so for our dipping sauce, we're not going with our usual ranch or blue cheese. We are going to make a yogurt-based sauce to dip it. So what I'm going to be using is about 3/4 cup of yogurt, the half of a lemon juice that is, add some salt, alright, so yogurt dipping sauce is now done. We are going to set that aside. We've taken our wings out of the oven. Alright, so our wings are nice and cooked. Now we're going to add our angry sauce, or whatever you want to call it. And that, my friends, is my recipe for my wings on the warpath. Again, please don't hate on the name. I think it's really cool. I hope you give this recipe a try, and I hope you use it on your Super Bowl Sunday. See you guys next time.